So we're at the New Country Healthcare stand at the Arab Health 2024, and we're very kindly joined by the co-CEO. It is Mr. Nour Koudsi. Well, thank you very much for joining us. Let's start off by talking about what NCH has to offer at the Arab Health this year.
Thank you, Abdelkarim, and it's a pleasure to have you folks here. So maybe I'll start off by giving you an introduction about New Country Healthcare and what we do. New Country Healthcare, our vision is to ensure that we deliver on healthcare holistically. So we have different divisions that cater to that. So one division is pharmaceuticals, so we focus on the medicinal side of things. A second vertical is nutraceuticals, and the whole point of this is to ensure prevention. Preventative measures. We enable the community to focus on preventative measures. Third vertical are healthcare foods. Idea here is to be holistic in our approach. So with a healthy lifestyle within the community, we can promote the right health. So at Arab Health, we are proud to say that we've now welcomed most of our principals. So we focus on bringing in the top quality brands across every one of those verticals to ensure we deliver those to the community in that manner, in that sense. Education is a very big component of this, so we focus on having a booth in Arab Health so we can deliver on that education. That's one component. The other component of it is also doing it within the market. With our principals joining here, our voices are echoed, are augmented and amplified. So we do so then across healthcare providers. We take part in talks, CMEs, so on and so forth. Education is in our core, and Arab Health enables that through also bringing in most of the principals from across the globe to Dubai, with Dubai becoming the hub.
And in terms of why it's important to take part in this event, if you can elaborate a little bit on the healthcare trends and the Arab Health in particular.
So for us, Arab Health is a very big focus. Again, it's because we take this as an opportunity to invite all our principals to this part of the world, to this region, so they can better understand what our local requirements are, our local needs. We believe in disrupting each one of those verticals. So how can we personalize healthcare? What can we do there? Omega-3, for example, is a very important ingredient and supplement. Right now, there's a supply issue, and that's purely driven by fish. So can we look at plant-based solutions to disrupting those, let's say, sectors or vectors are important. And the way we're able to do it is by bringing in the right people, the right mindsets, congregating, coming up with the right solutions, looking and thinking globally, but acting locally when we're here in the UAE.
And if you can elaborate a little bit on the environmental sustainability, it's been a big buzzword for a number of years now. So if you can talk to us about NCH in particular.
So sustainability is, I do agree with you, it's been quite the buzzword, but we, and trust me when I say this, we take it to heart. We look at it, again, through three verticals, I would say, but I'll just focus on two. First one is being environmental. So at New Country Healthcare, I'm proud to say that we have 600 solar panels that are installed in our headquarters here in Dubai, which generate 70% of our energy needs. 70% of our energy needs. So we actually feed into the grid when we do not require this energy. One of the things we also did was move away from plastic bags. We use zero plastic bags as of 2023 and moving forward, and what we have are recyclable bags. So these are just two components from an environmental perspective. Now from a social perspective, we take this internally as well as externally. Internally, a big focus is diversity. And again, that's a buzzword I think a lot of companies tend to use, but we focus on diversity not just within our company as a whole, but within our management. And that's a key metric. I think a lot of companies tend to focus on diversity being nationalities, so different cultural backgrounds as well as gender-based, but we look at it also from a management perspective. We're proud to say that over 30% of our management are women. We have almost give or take 20 nationalities or cultural diversities within our company. And this is key to our success.
Well, Mr. Nour Koudsi, thank you very much for joining us and all the very best for your participation at the Arab Health.
Thank you for having us. Thank you.